Yeah, g'day guys. I really want to say thanks for throwing in your email and find out how you can earn $500 a month. Just want to listen really carefully to what I have to say here, because with what down below, we're going to give you access, or allow you to get some access to a method called the Lost Code, and plus I'm also going to throw in some really sweet bonuses for you guys, so you can really catapult in obviously even going above that $500 line. And generating some commissions and start getting your online venture, online business, or even just a side hustle start going. So yeah, so the Lost Code is really just a great way. We're going to give you a lot of free traffic methods to be able to get you started, and also it'll be able to help you set up a really good infrastructure on building a business online. So if you've had like that issue of like failure, or haven't been able to quite get everything set up, and you feel like really like you've been struggling previously, this is a really great way. Everything's done for you step by step. They take you through the whole method. They also give you the opportunity to go through to get everything done for you as well, and they even send you limitless traffic to what you have to offer. So literally the Lost Code just gives you everything done for you and limitless traffic. So it's a great way to actually start building money online like that. So guys, I really want to take advantage of it. So the Lost Code, a great new way to start making your money online. It's just an amazing method. It's not multi-level marketing. There's no pyramid scheme. This way, it's like you don't have to recruit. There's no selling involved. Everything will be done for you on autopilot. You don't need to be selling to family and friends or anything like that. So it's just a great new way to start for you guys to start making some money online. So I'm really looking forward to it. The bonuses I'm going to throw in, I'm actually going to throw in 5 additional courses. Now these courses are worth literally up to, all combined, they're literally worth up to around about $3,000 that I've paid for personally, as well as I'm going to throw in my specialized training course to get you up and running. So I'm pretty excited about that. And if you need to, I will jump. If you guys take on the Lost Code, I'm going to take on the opportunity to get on a call with me, and we'll go through my training course to help you guys get set up and start generating a sound business online. So guys, check out my results below. They're not lying. This thing does work. It really does. So I look forward to speaking with you on the other side, guys. Cheers.